Experiencing issues with your mouse on Windows 11 or Windows 10? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Join us in this troubleshooting guide where we explore common reason behind a non-responsive mouse and provide easy to follow solutions. Whether it's a driver issue or a simple configuration tweak, we will help you get your mouse back in action in no time. Watch now to regain control and enhance your computing experience. If your mouse is not working on Windows 11 or Windows 10, try these steps. Step 1. Check physical connections and battery. Step 2. Test the mouse on a different USB port. Step 3. Restart your computer. Step 4. Update mouse drivers in Device Manager. Step 5. Uninstall and reinstall mouse drivers. Step 6. Consider using System Restore. Step 7. Test the mouse on another computer. Step 8. Run a full antivirus scan. Step 9. Ensure Windows is up to date. Step 10. Boot into safe mode to check for software conflicts. Step 11. If issues persist, consider hardware problems and try a different mouse.